Alright, so we had a special order from meat hunters that we did. And we wanted to do like an unboxing and go out right away and fish with them, but we're kind of too excited, so we kind of want to see them now, even though we can't go out fishing at the moment. So we're going to show you them, and then we'll go to a video. I'm not sure what we're going to do yet, but I guess you'll see in this video, because I'm going to add this at the beginning of it, so.
We're going fishing. Yeah. I remember you asked me what colors went well together, and I said purple and yellow. And you thought purple and yellow.
Yeah, and that's what I was having on my mind.
So, hold on, do you want the reel out first?
Yeah, you can show the reels. We got the reels a couple weeks ago. But,
this all started because Jeremy fell in love with his tiny pole.
And I think you guys enjoy watching us catch fish on little poles. It's kind of exciting.
Oh, this is yours because it's the wrong.
Oh, yeah. I reel on the left side, she reels on the right side.
That's it? That's it?
But, yeah, the new carbon prism from PC Fun. We got the purple ones because we got purple and yellow on our poles.
These are nice.
And I have no clue what they did to the poles. I have not seen them yet. They have not sent me pictures of what they look like. I just told them what I wanted. And Charles over at Meat Hunters did it for us. So, ready to unbox these with my catfish knife.
How did they even know? That's crazy.
Oh, I think I already did it probably.
Oh.
So it was going to stream it. So yeah, this is all taped up really good. So we have to see any of this.
Whoa. Whoa, super
Well,
glide.
they're going to double as ice fishing rods.
What if you call your 50-pound flatty on tiny pole? What did I see? This is... Oh man, I fell in love with... Woo!
Here's how big they
Woo!
That one's yours. I got purple on your wraps and I got yellow on mine.
Can you tell it's mine? Little cutie!
Yeah. Mine, of course, says tiny pole because that's what I always called my other pole I always used. But I told Charles, it's like, hey, people are really liking watching us catch these fish, like anything and everything on a tiny rod, but I wanted to use meat hunters and represent,
gosh.
so we got tiny meat hunter rods. They'll double as ice fishing rods. I mean, they're going to be a little stiffer than we're used to on our tiny poles, but
Oh my gosh, that is going to
pretty
be
awesome.
so awesome.
get this reel on.
What are we putting on these? Braid or
You said
mono?
you wanted braid. I haven't decided yet.
I did want braid, huh?
But yeah, and these reels have
Oh
22
my
pounds of
gosh.
drag for an ultralight reel. That's a lot. So we plan on trying to catch a lot of stuff on these tiny little
Oh
reels.
man, look how freaking cool that looks. I bet they glow like crazy. Oh, are you kidding me?
Love it.
I love it.
All right, guys. Now we're gonna hit the water.
Oh, are you sure we can't fish tonight?
Time to get the tiny pole strung up. We're going with braid, 20-pound test. Should hold close to the whole spool, which is 125 yards. We're going after big fish with tiny pole. Perfect. 125 yards. Completely full. I like to spool it up in water because it gets on the spool nice and tight. There we go. Let's go fishing. It don't matter. Just wherever. There is snags on the end of those rocks coming out. All right. Tiny pole, Just throwing some night crawler out
Whoa.
to the Platte River. See what happens. I guess that's little cutie.
That's little cutie.
It's our first attempt at our new little tiny poles.
Like that. Wait, is something already biting it? I'm so confused.
It looked like it.
Or is it just like bouncing, or like what's happening?
It totally looked like it was a bite. It wasn't even 2 seconds. Is it still on there?
I don't know. I don't think so.
It was flopping at the surface.
Oh, yeah, it is. Wow.
That's a little kitty. First little cutie catch.
First little cutie catch. Look at that teeny fish. You feisty little freak.
That's funny. You bit right away. Twice.
Oh my gosh, that's awesome.
That's the size you
All
can
right.
use for bait on a canal.
Yeah, that'd be perfect, right? All right, bye, little cutie. Oh, how funny is that? Alrighty, try again.
Okay, so we only got a couple hours till sun's down, but
Little cutie.
we're just literally gonna hop around on bridges and creeks and see what we can't catch with our little tiny poles that we just got from Meat Hunter Rods. And we're just gonna throw some Kobe and some night crawlers. That's all we got. 2 little poles and 2 different baits. This is kind of spots we're fishing. Bridges. I don't even know what creek this is. I'd have to look it up. But
Something amazing.
yeah, we'll see if we can't catch something. Pretty sure I had a bite.
Just about to go down, so hopefully not lose tiny pole.
I got my foot on it.
That's a long drop.
I got my foot on it. It ain't going anywhere.
I keep thinking like, just hold on. Because you might get startled and then you'll be like, oh crap.
Oh, that was definitely a fish.
Oh, whoa.
Did you see it jump out of the water?
Yeah, is it off of it now?
Yeah, it's off.
Oh, shoot.
That was
I'm
crazy.
like, that was a fish.
Like I felt the pole hit my foot. I'm like, oh.
Did it? I thought I heard crash.
You guys missed that, but the fish jumped out of the water. I don't know what it was.
What?
Oh, it's a tree.
It is? Oh. I was like, oh, that's a big fish. Dang it. Your tree. Why you do that to us? Right?
Make it look like a fucking fish. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, there you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Hey, you really got one. You really got one.
Oh, shoot, babe. What do I do? Is it recording it?
It is recording it.
Well, let's see if I can even get this guy up here.
Channel cat? I think it's a channel cat.
Oh, I'm about to run into the camera. All right.
I'm still trying to get my tree up.
20-pound test. Don't let me down. Oh, gosh. Stop freaking out. Stop freaking out. You're going to flip off there before I get you. Oh, my gosh. That's so funny. I was not paying attention because I was paying attention to you and your tree. Ooh, that made that bridge rumble, and I'm scared of heights. Ah! All right, Quacky. Oh, it's not in there good. Not in there bad.
We got fish though.
Okay, let's go get this out of your face.
I mean, I know there's fish in these creeks.
I know, I'm kind of surprised. I think I hit myself along the way.
You did. You got a hook in your butt.
Oh, lovely. Alright, little quackers.
We actually got one from the second spot. Missed one from the first spot. Long dive.
Well, you want to move on or you want to stay here?
It's up to you. This spot's kind of rapidy.
We're almost out of sunset.
Yeah, so we
We're
better keep
chasing
moving.
the sunset. Okay.
We'll see how many
Spot
spots.
number 3. I'm still getting the hook out of my butt.
Help. Okay, Alyssa's on her way over. This spot was not planned. I made a route with 5 spots of bridges on back roads. We just seen this one and stopped because we seen fish moving. Ooh, scared of something.
I got a bobber, but oh, they're your carpy. You could go shoot them.
Did you see carp?
Yeah, aren't those carp?
I didn't even look over there.
Aren't they sucking?
There's definitely some carp down there.
Definitely.
Reset. And a turtle.
Where's the turtle?
Right next to your bobber.
That's a turtle. Don't eat it. Don't eat it. Don't get away from my bobber. Babe, it's gonna attack my bobber. Get away! Do you see that? Stop it! Stop it right now, babe. Stop it! Stop it right now. I'm already tired of you. Get away from it. This turtle keeps coming after my bobber. Stop it right now. We don't need any more turtle friends.
We're losing our sun.
Oh, chasing the sunset.
Chasing the sunset.
Late night Oh, there's a beavis. Do you see it?
What's that?
The beavis?
What's the beavis?
The beavis.
Oh, a beaver? I did not see a beaver.
Ah, look at him.
Oh, yeah. Is it a beaver or a muskrat?
I don't know. It's a beavis.
If it's a beaver, it's a young one 'cause it's not very big.
Are you kidding me?
Oh, it's a beaver. It's a baby beaver.
Are you kidding me? That's a big beavis.
That's a baby beaver.
That would hit my pole. You little baby beavis.
He's cute. And the moon.
And the moon.
And a little cutie.
Show me your beavis! Little cutie. Okay, last bridge. We're super chasing the sunset.
Okay. So, we're just testing out tiny pole, and this evening we decided to hop around some bridges. Only got 1 fish, but had a little bit of fun. Lost a couple fish. Fed turtles. But yeah, just grab some worms, grab some catfish cobie, go out and throw it in the water. You never know what you might catch. So
Go on an outdoor wicked adventure.
Yep. Hopefully we'll do more videos like this, just random videos, but stay
It's
wicked.
a lot of fun.
Yep.
Now I gotta get my groove back.
You put in your toes.
Yeah. Not everyone has a freaky scared of feet fetish like you.